a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. So this video is definitely a different one for me. I have never, honey, did this type of video. And honestly, I don't even know where to begin or what it's supposed to be like. Am I supposed to talk a lot? Because you guys know I can talk, girl. Or am I just supposed to announce it and just go on about my business, girl? I don't know. So I'm going to do a little bit of both. So, okay, I did finally decide to have a wig sale. Yay! I do want to say that at this time, I'm not selling any synthetic wigs. All of the wigs that I'm going to be selling right now at this time are all human hair wigs, because the synthetic wigs, I have given away so many of them, and friends have so many of them, and all of that I don't know. I'm just I don't know how to or where to start with selling them. So I basically just given a lot of them away. So I'm just going to let them build up and then try to figure out, like, you guys can comment down below and let me know what you think about selling synthetic wigs. What's the price point? Just kind of let me know down below. So this video, or this particular sale, is just going to be human hair wigs. And I just kind of want to let you guys know that, honey, I did wash these wigs, and I did wash the lace, and, you know, me and my husband tried our best to get them as clean as possible lace-wise. If you want to, when you get them, obviously you can re-wash them, but I did wash them. I also want to say that, you know, basically when you get it, like, this is like no refunds, honey, okay? No refunds whatsoever. So I want you guys to keep that in mind as well. When you're buying them, you're buying them as is. Most of the wigs have been worn at a most once, well, twice, at the most twice. Some of them I have worn maybe 2 or 3 times at the most, but the majority of them have only been worn at the most twice. So yeah, keep that in mind. And I did do 25 to 50% off. Most of them are 50% off, but I did like some that just really weren't worn at all, for real. Other than to do the review, I made those 25% off. So that's how I did it on the site. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Like, I have, I think right now we have 25 wigs listed. And once those sell out, or once you guys buy those, then I'll add more, and I'll just do it like that. I'm only planning on keeping like maybe 5 or 10 wigs for myself. So I'll be selling a lot of wigs, but I didn't want to just overwhelm myself and put a whole bunch of them on there, and then I'll feel flustered and crazy. So I'm going to start with 25, and then after these, you know, dwindle down, then I'll add more, and I'll keep it going like that. But you guys have been asking me for the longest about selling wigs, so honey, here we are. I have bobs on there, girl. I got colored wigs, I got natural hair wigs, I got everyday wigs, I got braided wigs. All of these wigs will be, you know, on the site. So if you are interested, honey, if you want to go and cop you one, honey, because it's a whoever pay first. Don't email nobody. Don't email me, girl. Do not email me about a wig. I don't even want to talk about it. If you buy it, it's like a first come, first serve type of deal, okay? So emails really won't be responded to. Like, first come, first, what is it, babe? First come, first serve. First come, first serve type of deal. You pay for it, honey, it's yours. I don't want to hear nothing else. Don't ask me about any other wigs that aren't on the site, because I'm just kind of like going through them. I have a system, and I'm just like, oh, I'm just like one of those people that, like, I need the organization. So what you see on there is what I got available now. Later on, I'll be adding more wigs, and that's how I'm going to do it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you are interested in copping you a wig for the discounted rate, girl, then check down below in the description box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, honey. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, y'all, I will see you guys next time. Bye.